Mansa, would you be an angel or a demon?
If given a choice, I would definitely want to be an angel, a very nice, good, pretty, beautiful looking ghost, just like Anushka Sharma in Philoli.
Philoli.
Yes, the trailer just got released today out of surprise, and we are spellbound to see Anushka looking so beautiful as a good ghost. So, Kameshwari, tell us what the trailer is about.
So basically, it starts with the superstition in India that's followed, that how Mangalik people are made to marry either trees or goats or any other animal or
Yeah.
things like that.
Yeah.
But eventually, this boy who is a Life of Pi
Pi is
fame, by
actor,
the way, he gets married to a tree which has Anushka's soul in it.
Yeah. So basically, the catch is that Anushka was on that tree when he was getting married to the tree. So now
He is married to
A ghost.
invisible, beautiful lady.
Yeah.
Although he's in trouble to
Yeah.
how to
handle
adjust his original marriage and this virtual marriage.
Because
But,
this
yeah.
ghost says that now I am your wife, and she's like the sweet one, like Casper we have seen. But there is a second part to the trailer, which is like there is a story behind the ghost. Basically, she's called Shashi in the film, and that's when the trailer takes us back in time to a love story, and then that's where we have the grand entry of
Diljit
Dosanjh.
Dosanjh, who looks extremely drool worthy, by the way.
Yeah.
And he is singing the song as well in the film,
Yeah.
which you will hear in the trailer as a
Yeah.
background.
Yeah.
And if we talk about the time, it's been compared to
Compared
Mirza
to-
Sahiban.
Yeah, a
and all
little
those,
Soni Mahiwal types. It's giving that feel to it, that the love
yeah.
story between Anushka and Diljit is something on that lines.
Yeah.
And a little tragic love story. Apparently something happens, and why Anushka, what happens to Diljit and how she turns into a ghost, and ultimately the tree gets cut. So what
So
we can
she's
guess
trapped.
is
So
she's trapped.
We have no idea how she will get back to her tree. But then the thing that I really want to tell is, as a producer, Anushka is doing really great
well.
concepts. This is the second film. Earlier, she just nailed it with
Yeah.
NH10.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that?
I love her choice of productions, definitely. NH10 was very hard hitting. This is also hard hitting, but in a very different manner. She's playing around with the tragic love story, but in a comic way. Like, we see elements of comedy, but then again there are a lot of emotions attached to it, and I am totally impressed by Anushka one more time, and I really love what she's doing. She's playing it her own
Even
way.
I think Bollywood is
Yeah.
also going gaga over her.
We have
trailer.
loads of comments and reactions from people like Shah Rukh Khan and Dia Mirza and Twinkle Khanna. Everybody is like lauding the trailer.
Yeah,
So
absolutely,
are we. Yeah.
Absolutely. But what happens, why happens, when happens is what you will get to know on March 24th when the film releases.
Yes.
So stay tuned with IndianExpress.com to know more about the film.
Go and watch the trailer of Philori. You'll love it.